Now that you've received your proposal, the first thing you'll find is the recommended system option. This will show you a satellite image with the panels superimposed upon the roof of your property, so you can see exactly how the system will look on your property. You'll also find the total system size in kilowatts and the minimum annual generation that the solar system will provide to you. On the next page, we've got your solution, which is a full material and component list of everything that's included as part of your installation. Now we come to the system performance, which is a month-by-month productivity graph, which will show you how the system will generate for you month by month as the year moves forward. Moving on from the month-by-month productivity graph, we can now show you the month-by-month savings on your electricity bill. And finally, we've got all of your component data sheets. So this provides you with all of the technical information that you may require on the panels, the inverters, batteries, and any ancillary equipment that may come alongside of your installation. Now you've got all of the information that you require to make an informed decision in your own time. However, if you do have any questions or queries, please feel free to contact us via telephone or email, or visit us at www.blueaperenewables.co.uk.